Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech with Infant, Toddler, Youth and Car Seat Quickie. And today's video, we're going to show you how to do a baseless installation with the Uppababy Aria infant car seat. Now, you of course need to make sure that the baby is buckled in the car seat safely and properly. You're going to come to your back seat, you're going to set the car seat down, and the first thing you can do is bring the seatbelt over the baby and over the car seat. You're going to buckle in. On both sides of the chair, there is a belt path for the lap belt. So make sure the lap belt goes underneath both of these. Now, the shoulder belt actually has two options. If it's not long enough, you're just going to let it go straight back up to the car. But if it is long enough, you can do what's called the European route. So you're going to grab your shoulder. You're going to come all the way around the car seat. There is a third belt path right behind the chair, and you can see there's a little blue line there. And that is where the lap belt should go. And of course, when you do bring it around the car seat, you don't have to tilt it up. I just did that so you can see exactly where the tether point, or where the belt path is. Now, once you decide how you're doing your shoulder belt, European or non-European, the next step is very important. You have to make sure you switch your seatbelt to locking mode. So grab your shoulder belt, pull it all the way out as far as it can go, slowly. So now when you let it retract, you're going to hear a ratcheting sound. That sound is letting you know that you are switching the seatbelt to locking mode. And now we can begin to tighten it. So push down on the car seat, pull on the seatbelt, and you want to get it nice and snug. All of the slack you're pulling, you want to make sure you feed it back into the car so it continues to lock. And then the way you're going to test it is with one hand, grab the car seat from either side as close to the belt path as possible. All you're looking for is less than an inch of movement from side to side or front to back. Never test a car seat on the back. This part is going to be able to move no matter what. And yeah, so you never want to test it from there. The way to make sure the angle is correct is there is a red line on both sides of the car seat. What it says is that the red line needs to be level with the ground. So not the vehicle seat, but the actual ground. So if you're on a flat surface, the line should be straight. If you're parked on the hill, the line of course will be on the slant. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to move the handlebar all the way forward so it acts like an anti-rebound bar. There's a gray button on both sides of both of the handlebars. You need to squeeze them both. You're going to move forward, and there you go. You're ready for baseless. To remove the car seat, you're going to unbuckle the seatbelt. If you did the European belt path, you're going to turn the back of the car seat toward the door, so that makes it easier to remove it because the seatbelt is locked and nice and snug. You can now undo the seatbelt. The seatbelt will reset back to normal once it retracts all the way. And now you're able to get the baby out of the car. And baseless and base methods are both tested the same exact way, so they are equally safe. Just make sure that you do the installation correct. And the more you do it, of course, the easier it's going to get. Hopefully this helped. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.